What's up, guys? It's been a long time since I've vlogged, but it hasn't been a long time since I've used my camera. This past week, I've been working, had a few meetings going on, meal prep, gym stuff. As for this weekend, Friday, I went to the 4th wedding. I'll drop in some clips for you. I have been making camera upgrades left and right, learning how to use this thing properly. I've been to 4 weddings in the past month. I've learned a lot. I have expanded my equipment bag so much. I've picked up a stabilizer, some tripods, new memory card, a light, and everything. So the overall production of this video should be a little bit better. Yesterday, which was Saturday, I just staycation, relaxed, did nothing all day. It was phenomenal. Today is Sunday, so I'm up in my hometown where I grew up. There's a car meet going on for my old friend who was in a motorcycle accident and is paralyzed. So my buddy Kyle and I, and then Steven, they're washing their cars like right outside right here. And yeah, I'm gonna show you some clips of that, and then we're gonna head on over to the car meet.
Support him. Keep a lookout for the kid in the wheelchair.
Oh yeah. How was the day, Dom?
Couldn't have been any better, son.
Hell yeah. What was your favorite car?
Ford Fergs ST.
Okay.
On
Gotta check
RS
that out.
with the bags.
All right,
I'll
sweet,
see
man.
you guys later.
Hell yeah.